my name. I'm Terry Kuhnhausen. This is my 1988 Bluebird 40-footer. I bought it a year ago and took 3 months. My son built it for me, and I drove it from the state of Washington to here.
Can you get a name for the bus?
I call it the Campfire Seeker.
Okay.
Come on board.
A little quieter in here.
Yeah, it is.
It's a windy day.
Yeah. So my son built it in 3 months for me. It's fully self-contained. It has a full bathroom, shower, bathroom, stove, refrigerator. It's got an Onan generator on it. So it's mainly a battery pack and an Onan generator. All the comforts of home.
Sorry?
I said it's all the comforts of home.
Yep. Let's take us through.
Sure.
I like the fact that, you know, people think of all the different complicated ways to build things, but just bringing in a couch.
Yeah.
You know, don't have to be complicated.
Yeah. So the whole bathroom's here. It's got a shower,
Yep.
toilet, sink.
Yep. You get the RV toilet, so black water tank, and
Right. It's fully self-contained with water and. Put 2 rough ACs on it.
And is this a front engine or rear engine?
Rear.
Rear, okay.
It's a 3208 cat engine.
Right. And closets on both sides.
Yeah,
It's
these
nice.
are closets on each side.
Yep. What's just nice about having a long bus is you can have that much more closet space,
Right.
and a little more living space.
Hanging up. I'll have to take them things off. There you go.
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you for the tour.
You bet.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Right? See you next time, YouTube. Bye.